So guys, if you want to create a poll in Telegram, especially on the web Telegram, how we can do that easily. So first of all, I have created a chat group. If you don't know how to create that, you can join the playlist link in the description where I have explained each and everything about Telegram. So you can join in to learn some amazing stuff. So I have already created the chat group. So let's say if you own a channel, you are in the chat group and you just want to create a poll, right? So all you have to do is just go to the bottom in the chat box and click on this pin kind of icon right here. And from here, you can create a poll. But if you try to create it for a personal chat, we won't be able to see here. As you can see, this is a personal chat with a friend and we don't have the poll option here. So we have this only in the channels and the chat groups. So let's click on here and click on poll. Now let's create an interesting travel poll that I have used the ChatGPT for. So let's say I want to create this kind of post. Travel poll. What's your dream destination? Let's quickly add it. This is the question. Let's enter some of the options. Let's see if it is able to paste all of this or it has any limitation. Let's copy this, paste it right here. And let me just quickly paste 3 of them. All right, I have quickly pasted 4 options. Now, if you want to enable anonymous voting so that people can comfortably vote, you can enable that. Otherwise, if you want to collect the data about the persons and you want to see who has responded to that poll, you can just uncheck that options. Okay, so let's keep it enabled so that more and more people can participate in that. Especially if you have a large group, people might not want to disclose that. So multiple answers. If the people want to check on multiple locations, you have to enable the multiple answers. So in that way, it will not be a radio button, it will be a checkbox just like that. They can select 2 options. Quiz mode, if you want to enable the quiz mode, we have these kind of poll options. So this is how you can create it. Just uncheck this. Let me just create a poll from here. So we have in the settings, just enable anonymous voting. Let's create it. And this is how we can create it, guys. As you can see, it looks very professional. Once anyone votes on it, it will show you the results like that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Telegram, guys, you can join the playlist link in the description where I have explained everything, not only for the web Telegram, but also how we can work on the mobile. So join in and I'll see you in the next one.